Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to afford guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable reading mode on Poco phone. Friends, you want to enable guys your Poco phone reading mode setting. So friends, how to enable guys reading mode on Poco phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. And after enable guys how to use Poco phone device, today friends I am going to show you. So friends, first of all guys we will on guys Poco phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. So friends, we will click on my Poco phone display setting guys. After on display setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, light mode, dark mode you want to on. So friends, you can on your dark mode and you can on your light mode. Friends, you can see brightness level. Friends, you can increase your brightness, you can decrease. Automatic brightness, friends, when you will on your brightness will decrease automatic and increase automatic guys. So we will off it and we will increase brightness. Friends, you can see sunlight mode setting. Friends, you want to on sunlight mode, you can on and use from here guys. Friends, you can see reading mode setting. Friends, we will click on phone reading mode. Friends, you can see reading mode. So when we will enable from here. After enable friends, you want to change your reading mode classic and paper, you can change from here guys. So when you should enable guys your reading mode at night, when you operate your phone at night guys, you should enable. After enable guys, you can use your phone and guys, you can look at on your screen easily friends. Friends, you want to schedule your reading mode time. Friends, you can schedule from here. Start time and off time guys, you can set from here guys. Direct friends, you want to enable, you can enable and you can use it guys. So we will disable from here guys. Tap here to disable it. So like that we can use the reading mode setting on our Poco phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your phone display and brightness setting? Friends, you can ask me comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.